To Electcom Automation, the world of automation. Today we are going to learn how to use a contactor to create a holding contact. The operation is being done by starting and stopping the AC bulb by instantaneously pressing the start and stop button. This operation can also be known as a direct online starting.
Yes, today we are going to learn how to create a holding contact in a contactor using a start and stop button. So before we start, let me explain the components one after the other. This is my AC supplying to the switch gear. The switch gear is already at 2 position, meaning it's giving output to the 2 line. In our previous video, we already explained how the switch gear works. So in case you don't understand here, you can check our previous video to get the working principle of a switch gear. Now we have a start button and we have a stop button. We have a contactor. We have an AC bulb here. So a start button is a button with normally open terminal, and a stop button is a button with a normally closed terminal. Now let me tell you how the connection is being made. As the AC supply is coming to the switch gear, it's going out to a stop button, looping it together with the start button, and the start button is being connected to A1 of the contactor, and from A1 of the contactor is being looped to normally open terminal of the contactor, and the stop button is being connected to a normally open of the contactor terminal, and this is a neutral terminal of a contactor, and is receiving a neutral terminal from a supply directly to the contactor. Now this is a neutral terminal that is going to supply our load we are going to receive from the contactor, and this is the neutral terminal wire. Now this is A1 where live terminal is being terminated, and this wire is being looped to L1 where the live terminal of the contactor load is going to be terminated. Now this is my AC bulb. This AC bulb is being connected here at this point T3, and T1 is the live and T3 is the neutral, as we get it from L3 and L1. L1 is live and L3 is a neutral. Yes, we get it done. And for us to see how it works, you press the start button. Once you press the start button, the contactor terminal is going to be energized, thereby turning on the contactor. And when you press the stop button, the contactor coil is going to be de-energized, thereby turning off the contactor. Now let's see how it works. See, the contactor is now turning on. It means that the contactor coil is being energized. Now if I press the stop button, the contactor coil will be de-energized, thereby turning off the contactor. That is how it works. Start and stop. Now let me connect this AC bulb, which is going to be my load output, to the contactor, so that we'll see how it's going to turn off the bulb and turn on the bulb. So I connect it to terminal of the contactor T1, which means that T1 is the output load terminal of the contactor. So if I press it from the start button, it will turn the AC bulb on, and if I press the red button, it's going to stop the light, thereby switching off the light. So that is how it works. Turn on the bulb, turn off the bulb. So if there is any question, you can drop it at our comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.